Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We went to the track, had a good time, but I got a lot of learning to do. So check out the footage. You guys let me know what you think, and I need to get better. The car needs to get better, so it's just gonna be a process of learning. So let me know what you guys think, and check out the clips, and then we'll talk about a few things after of improvements on the car, improvements on myself. All right guys, so we are here. The track is packed. We're number 96. So yeah, there's a lot of cars here today. Last time when I came and broke, there might have been 25, 30 cars here. So we're here. I don't know how many passes we're gonna get since the track is so packed, but we're gonna do our best. Hopefully we get at least 2 or 3 passes in and have some fun with it. I just don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. That's the only thing in my head. I don't want to fuck it up. I want to be able to drive it home.
As soon as I saw that perimeter go, I was like, come on.
All right. Really?
Yeah, that's why I ran 11.9. I left it again.
Danny's always racing. Every day. Hey man, this Civic pulled past me in the lane, and then I had to go get him.
He saw that V6 Camaro try me when he posted that video. Yeah. I wasn't even doing that. I'm just driving along normal, and he had to come mess with me.
Yeah. Just driving around normal.
No, I don't have pops.
Yeah, it's the pops. Oh, if they pop next to him, it's on.
Oh yeah,
it's on.
I don't have pops no more. No, I got rid of that shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. But if you're driving and you go pop, oh yeah, oh, it's on.
Oh, you can ask Lewis. I raced the Beamer on the way here because he was popping next to me. Every day. Pops, bitch. I used to have them too. They don't mean shit.
I'm like, I never get so many people trying to race me, but every day Danny got a story.
Nobody wants to race that because it's too damn loud, and nobody races the Fiat because they don't want to.
It's a Fiat. You ready, baby? You ready?
Now my heart's racing.
No, you'll be fine, baby.
No, it's gonna be fun, but it's excitement. Huh?
I say go beat him.
Yeah, go beat me. Javi.
I'm gonna do my damnedest. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try.
My kid's gonna have it on video, so.
All right, guys, here we go. Felt real good. Car felt real good. I'm happy with that. We'll see what I did.
Damn it.
I expected to do better. Jesus Christ, I did car felt good, but it did a 12.9. Yeah, that's almost an A number. So we'll have to work on that. So maybe I need to. But I'm not launching the car hard. I launched the car at $2,000. You know, I need to. This car should be at least a second faster. But it's what it is. Hey, it's my first time in this car with this new setup. I'm only on 9 pounds of boost. We're gonna go do it again and see what it does. Hopefully we can improve on this. This is all you gotta do. This is what you do. Keep doing it until you get better at it. Watch. Fogged a little bit, but it wasn't terrible. This racing stuff, shit's a little frustrating. But it is what it is. It wheel out a little bit, but not terrible. I need to build, for me to launch this car good, I need to build, I need like a two-step or something to be able to build boost on launch. Thank you. Oh my God, this one was even worse. So, first run, wasn't great. So, I did what, 12, 949 on 113.91, at almost 114 mile an hour. My power, should be trapping about 120. So, a lot of things is in my 60 foot. 60 foot is terrible, 2.071, and reaction time is terrible. So, 0.22, what is it? 0.228. So, yeah, a lot of things could get fixed with a better 60 foot. So that is what I'm going to work on the car. I'm not a professional driver. I've been to the track a handful of times. So it's going to take time, especially with a manual car. Manual car is just harder to get it down the track the way you want it. And so I'm going to keep practicing, keep at it, and enjoy it. So with that said, I got a few goodies for the car to make it better going down the track and make it I don't know, just make it overall better. As you can see on the second run, the car was just hopping. I could feel like the car was, I mean, the car, that was the second run. I actually launched the car harder, and because the first run I launched the car 2K, very soft launch, and I actually did better. In the second run I launched the car at 4K after talking to Caleb, and he told me to just, send it at 5K. I launched the car at 4K, but I kind of bogged it, and then I hit the red limiter a few times, but the car was just bouncing. It was literally kind of jumping off the track, and every time I shifted, you could just see the cars bouncing and bouncing. So, definitely need to work on the rear end of the car. So first thing, these look like stock shocks. Well, technically they are, but they're 2018 PP1 GT shocks. They're rated a little bit stiffer to keep the car from basically, hopefully, not dipping so much, especially when I shift gears. So this should help a little bit. I got some goodies from BMR. I got some vertical links that I'm going to be installing this weekend. This should help with any kind of wheel hop. And what else do I have here? Oh, I got, where is it? I got some, let's see if you can see it right here. Some diff lockouts. And this should help too with a little bit of the flexibility of the diff. I guess, you know, basically help out the same issue, just keeping the car from, I mean, you want the car to squat, but you don't want the car to just squat completely. You want, I guess, a happy medium. I'm not an expert. I could be wrong. Okay, so over here, I have a new diff. New pumpkin. I got this from LKQ. Paid 200 bucks for it. And it's going into this car. Some of you guys are gonna notice, the people who know, some of you won't notice because you just don't know, and that's fine. That is a full aluminum pumpkin. And a full aluminum pumpkin usually goes in automatic cars. So, and manual cars usually have just the aluminum cover with the steel housing. So I'm doing aluminum on one because they're a lot easier to find. They're cheaper and they're just easier to find. The manual ones are harder to find. So so what needs to be changed out is right here to make it work, because I've done it before in another car. So if you can make it work, you change this out. You change out the flange, the pinion flange. So the plan is to take out the automatic pinion flange, put this pinion flange in it, and put it on the car. That's the plan with that. So that should help a lot with the car go down the track, at least the suspension stuff. The gears are gonna help me stay in boost longer. My first gear is almost useless. Once the car gets into boost, it literally, like within 1 second, it just goes from, you know, because first gear, it doesn't get into boost till high, which I don't understand why. Every other gear comes in about 3,000, but first gear comes in high about, I don't know, close to 5,000, which is weird, but I think it has to do a lot with my gearing. So the plan is to put in those 331s. That should give me a lot longer gear and keep me in boost longer and give me basically a better speed down the track. It's not going to help me as much with the launch, but right now I need the car to I don't know. I can't put a trans brake on it, so I need the car to be able to have more gear just getting out the hole, because the car goes and it's shift. You can see in the video I was shifting super fast. As soon as I would get out, maybe within 100 feet, I was shifting. So that's the plan. Gonna do all these changes this weekend. Might as well, because we're taking out the diff. We're gonna make all those changes at one time. I'm not working twice if I don't have to. So should be fun. Should be a project. We're gonna record it all, have some fun with it, and show you guys some things while we're doing it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I know is what it is. The car should be faster down the track, but manual car, it's gonna take some work. Like Doomsday, I think his best is like 12.4, and he's been at it way more than I ever have. So this was my third pass down the track on this car, and this is the first time with the turbo kit. So that's it. That's where we're at. So thank you guys for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. All right, we'll see you on the next one.
Fuck that shit. I'm sick of this shit. I'm learning to do a burnout and I'm getting a fucking tire. It's bullshit. Bullshit.